Welcome back to another Power Up Minute. Today I'm wondering if you have some data sitting around that you would like to crunch. In that case, I'd like to introduce you to the Analyst Agent template. As you can see, it does trends, insights, and visualizations. For instance, I can ask it to simply find duplicates in a file. And what this will do, and you can actually watch it reason over the data to find your duplicates. In this case, in my file, it found 2 duplicates, and it told me which one that was. Now, this is an exact duplicate, which means every column has to match, just because that's all I said. But it will offer me partial duplicates as well, where I can specify check for duplicates on this particular column. I'd also had quick insights. So if here I took an Excel spreadsheet with Adventures Works sales data, we'll come back with some really interesting metrics and insights that you can use. So I really love using this. Give it a try. If you want to learn more, go to aka.ns/powerup. See you at the next one.